Girls High Secondary School, led by its commander, Tabla Gandhi. Following the St. Margaret's High Secondary School band and arriving at the saluting dance to take the salute is Pine Mount School Shalom, led by its commander, Ida Risa El Archie. Following the contingent from Pine Mount and arriving at the saluting dance to take the salute is E.A. Victoria High Secondary School, led by Nandan Sabi Bukit. Taking the salute now is the contingent of Ceylon High Secondary School, led by its commander, Rafisha Walker. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is BSF Boys Senior Secondary School, led by Adrian Guru. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School marching band, led by its commander, Ferrybird Staley. Arriving at the saluting dais